but don't worry, don't worry. We will just put the ingredients. And so, guys, what are you waiting for? Let's get cooking up. So, friends, take help from your mom. Otherwise, don't spill the ingredients. So, my first recipe is going to be milk. Pour it slowly, guys, because otherwise, don't spill it. Otherwise, your mom will be angry. There we go, friends. And next, friend, so guys, this was half cup milk, and now I'm going to add the next ingredient called 1 egg. Guys, look at this ruby egg. So sweet. And now, friend, my second ingredient is going to be sugar. Let's put all of the sugar into the egg. Guys, so I put 1 tablespoon of sugar, and now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of yeast. Come on, guys. There we go. Yeast is done, guys. So, guys, we can mix it now. Mix until it all becomes a dough, friends. Mix. I'm actually mixing it with the whisk. Actually, I'm just going to mix it so fast. So, guys, I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, and then I will mix it right away with these ingredients. It's already done it. So let's put the flour now. Okay, so we will now put some butter and tell your mom to mix this up and eat it for you. Let's now do it. Guys, look at this. It's kind of cool because you just are. So friends, now we are done with the dough, and we will keep it in one place for some hours, and then we will show you how it will look, and then we will add the rest of the ingredients. To share more of my recipes with you. So have fun and eat your delicious donut. Bye-bye, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye-bye.